Okay, so this is why I think that you should get Chime Bank now. I'm remaking this video because I was using a headset that had a lot of feedback. It sounded like I was far away, and I think that this one's much better. Okay, number one, you get a free $75 when you get a direct deposit of $200 or more using my link. That's one of the most main reasons why I feel that you should definitely get Chime Bank because we each get 75 bucks and all you got to do is have one direct deposit of $200 or more within the first 45 days. There's a lot more reasons than that. That's my own little selfish reason, but the real reasons are that they've printed my debit card and they're going to be shipping it out to me. While I'm waiting, I have a need to make a purchase. Use your digital Chime debit card. I'm not going to pull it up because I'm not trying to give my debit card number out, but that is one of the main awesome reasons. So they have your normal checking account, and then you can open a savings account. You can also apply for a debit card, set up and receive a qualifying direct deposit to apply, and then you can get a debit card if you have any direct deposits going into your account. Move money. Deposit cash. So you could deposit up to $1,000 every single day at either Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, or 7-Eleven. And everyone knows that there's Walmarts all over the country. So wherever you live, you're going to be able to find a Walmart or a CVS near you pretty easily. That was Match pulling up. All the girls are way too ugly on that for around where I live. So right now, just going on dates with ex-girlfriends. Either way, transfer funds. This is another cool thing. Hold on one second. Where is it? Oh no, I'm sorry. Pay friends. So pay anyone instantly and free. Send money to anyone even if they're not on Chime. They claim funds instantly to their bank account without waiting and zero fees. No fees. Completely free. Another awesome thing that I like about this is the ATM Map. So I live in I guess I could say rural area. It's sort of like the suburbs, but it's in Pennsylvania, so everything's kind of far away. But this is actually close to me. Look, there's a bunch of banks where I can use their ATM for free, or if I go to CVS or Rite Aid, I'll get cash back at the end of the month. So another thing, they have this thing when you set up direct deposit called Spot Me. It's right here. Chime Spot Me is an optional no service fee that requires $500 in qualifying direct deposits each month. So if you're getting paid 500 bucks each month, you can borrow up to uh, you can borrow up to $200 with the Spot Me app, and then you can access it through Chime. You get paid up to 2 days early, fee-free overdraft up to $100. Initially, all qualifying members will be allowed to overdraw their account up to $20 on debit card purchases, but may be later eligible for a higher limit up to 100 bucks. But still, for them allowing you to overdraft by 20 bucks like right away, no questions, that's pretty awesome. I like that. There are no fees, like no overdraft fees, zero, zero overdraft fees. You can build credit history with the secured Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card issued by Stride Bank. To be eligible to apply for the credit builder, you need to have received a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more into your spending account within the last 365 days, and you're eligible for their credit card. So you can make money on an unsecured credit card. You can build your credit up. So I just think that there's so many great reasons to get Chime Bank that you should sign up today and you should use my link because if you don't use my link, you don't get the free $75. So check it out. Um, Everyone's always looking for bank promotions and stuff. Hey, what can I get for opening up a checking account? Well, I think that this is the best promotion around. When you look up other promotions, it's hey, you get $100, but you need to deposit like 1,000. This makes it really easy. You want an easy $75? Just have one direct deposit of $200 or more. Do 1 week of Uber Eats or something. Doesn't matter. Do 2 days of Uber Eats. You'll make that money, and you'll get a free $75. Free money. Okay, so I'm gonna put my link in the description below. Please click like, subscribe, and share. I'm going to delete the previous video and I'm going to upload this one. Have a great day. Thanks for watching and do everything that I said. Sign up now.